use the flashlight on your Garmin Fenix 8, Enduro 3 or Tactix 8, all you need to do is to double press on the upper left button right over here, and this will turn on the flashlight. You can then use those two buttons on the side to control the intensity. So you have 4 levels of intensity, and the lowest one will be a green light on the Tactix and a red light on the Fenix and the Enduro. Just like that. Red or green. Then you can also press and hold the upper left button, navigate to the torch, flashlight, and then again control the intensity and the color. Turn on and off over here. And when you press and hold on that button, if you go into strobe, you can enable a strobe. So you can have a blink, you can have custom to that one. If you select it and use the pen, you can choose the mode, the speed, and the color. So you can have blitz, beacon, pulse, and then we'll restart to blink. Other options, if we go back over here and go into the menu, you've got the distress pattern, and this will actually show your name, the name of your emergency contact, and its phone number. So this is how you use the flashlight on your Garmin Fenix 8. I hope this was helpful.